Ninots, which means dolls in the dialect spoken in Valencia, are central figures in the fallas. Neighborhood organizations craft the ninots. Some take 6 months to construct and cost thousands of dollars. The colorful and whimsical fallas are displayed over 300 intersections and parks around the city. Some rise 50 feet into the air. Each falla has an entourage of falleras. These women are dressed in traditional Valencian costumes inspired by 18th century designs. On March 17th and 18th, thousands of falleras walk in procession to deposit carnation flowers at the feet of the Virgin of the Forsaken. Another duty of the falleras is to announce the start of the mascleta from the balcony of City Hall. During the 10 minutes of the mascleta, the ground shakes as thousands of firecrackers explode. Many neighborhoods not only construct fallas, but also decorate the street leading to the falla with thousands of light bulbs. The best illuminated street receives a prize at the end of the festival. This illuminated falla won first prize for its intricate arabesque arcades. On March 19th, the Cabalgada del Fuego announces the arrival of the fire that will burn the fallas. At midnight, streetlights are turned off and all the statues, except the favorite one, are set on fire. Hundreds of firemen stand by to control the flames. This amazing festival ends with fire both on the ground and in the sky.